Grade 8 Biology, Chapter 2 Microorganisms, Friend and Foe, Module 3. Objectives to define communicable disease. To list out communicable diseases in plants and animals and their causative organisms, modes of transmission, and prevention. Harmful microorganisms. Some microorganisms are harmful in many ways. In human beings, plants, and animals, some of the microorganisms cause diseases. Such disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Food, clothing, and leather are spoiled due to some harmful microorganisms. Pathogens enter our body through the different way, like air when we breathe, the water when we drink, or the food when we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. Microbial diseases such as cholera, common cold, chickenpox, and tuberculosis that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Here we can see some common diseases and the microorganisms that cause them. For example, bacteria causes tuberculosis, cholera, and typhoid. Virus that causes measles, chickenpox, polio, hepatitis A, and protozoa causes malaria. This picture shows modes of transmission of diseases. There are some insects and animals which act as carriers of disease causing microbes. For example, housefly is one such carrier that flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta, etc. Pathogens stick to their bodies when these flies sit on the uncovered food. They transfer the pathogens. Whoever eats contaminated food is likely to get sick. Some more examples of carrier microbes are female Anopheles mosquito, which carries the parasites of malaria. Female Aedes mosquito acts as a carrier of dengue virus. How to prevent diseases that spread through mosquitoes? All mosquitoes breed in water, so one should not let water collect anywhere like in coolers, tires, flower pots, etc. By keeping the surroundings clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. We should also spray insecticides and use mosquito repellents and mosquito nets to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. How to prevent diseases that spread through air or contact? To prevent diseases that spread through air, keep the patient in complete isolation and keep his or her personal belongings away from others. Vaccination at the suitable age can prevent the onset of tuberculosis, chickenpox, polio, and measles. How to prevent diseases that spread through water or food? To prevent the spread of polio, cholera, typhoid, and hepatitis A, vaccination is effective. One should also maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits and drink boiled drinking water. One should also eat properly cooked food to avoid diseases like cholera. These are some common human diseases caused by microorganisms. Microorganisms can cause diseases in plants and reduce crop yield. Some of the plants in which they cause diseases are wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, and apple. These are some plant diseases caused by microorganisms. Let us know some diseases caused by microorganisms in animals. Bacillus anthrax, a dangerous disease that affects human and cattle, is caused by a bacterium called Bacillus anthracis. Foot and mouth disease in cattle is caused by a virus called foot and mouth disease virus.